Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should start with the essentials. Update iOS and confirm Face ID, Touch ID, or a strong passcode so privacy controls work. Once done, open Settings and tap Notifications to enter the controls you'll change. You're not reading menus, you're choosing which apps show content on the lock screen. Decide now which apps must remain private and which can show a preview. This decision shapes the per app steps you'll take next, and it keeps you focused on privacy rather than guesswork. Next, change how previews behave. Go to Show Previews and set it to When Unlocked for balance, or Never if you want absolute privacy. This prevents message text from appearing until you authenticate. Then, scroll Apps and pick Per App Settings. Turn off lock screen for apps that shouldn't announce anything, disable banners for noisy apps, and toggle Deliver quietly when you want alerts stored without interruption. Make sure to save attention for messaging apps. Sensitive previews are the main leak, so restrict them. To finalize, set up a focus like Do Not Disturb or a custom work focus that silences or hides notifications, and schedule a notification summary to batch non-urgent alerts. Once done, enable or limit announce notifications on headphones so content won't be read aloud unexpectedly. Test by locking the phone and sending messages to apps you changed. If previews still appear, make sure Face ID or passcode is active, check Per App Settings again, and restart the phone as a quick troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.